Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning for the all participants. For this time, we will study about the how to using air to estimate the parameter of the power radio institute distribution. Okay, for this time, we will try to using the coding R coding to the estimate the parameter of the power radio institute distribution. We have discussed about the some properties of the power radio institute distribution, like the density function, distribution, cumulative distribution function, survival function, hazard function, the second and the first moment, and we have tried to apply the power radio institute distribution to the next modeling the sum data, to make the probability modeling using the sum data. And for this time, we will try to the estimated the parameter of the power radio instituted distribution using the R software. Okay, based on the one research article. Okay. Okay, like this one. Based on the international research article with the title Power Amarendra Distribution with the Properties and Application, published on the 2024. In this research article, we will find the name of the density function, namely Amarendra distribution. Amarendra distribution is same as with the radio institute distribution with k equal to 4. Okay, if you check from this research article, Amarendra distribution is a mixture of the exponential theta. Exponential theta, it's mean the gamma 1 theta. Okay, gamma 2 theta, gamma 3 theta, gamma 4 theta, and with the proportion theta power 3 divide the theta power 3 plus theta power 2 plus 2 theta plus 6 theta power 2 plus theta power 2 divide the theta power 3 plus theta power 2 plus 2 theta plus 6, and then 2 theta divide by theta power 3 theta power 2 plus 2 theta plus 6, and the 6 divide by theta power 3 theta plus theta power 2 plus 2 theta plus 6. Okay, if we check, this proportion is the same with the radio institute distribution. If we try to using the concept of mixture distribution, okay, we will find this density function. Okay, this is Amarendra distribution produced by technique of the mixture distribution with the proportion, the first proportion, and then the first the density function, and it's one is this, and this is second proportion, and this one is the second this density function, and this one the third proportion, and this one is this third density function, and this one. For this one, the last of the fourth proportion, and this one, the fourth, the density function. And then we try to use the concept of mixture distribution. We can find the density function of the Amarendra distribution, like theta power 4 divide the theta power 3 plus theta power 2 plus 2 theta plus 6. Multiply by 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 3 multiply by exponent min theta x. And then this one is equal to the radio institute distribution with k equal to 4. Okay. After we have the Amarendra distribution, and then we will try to using the concept of the transformation variable x equal to y power 1 divide alpha, we can find the power Amarendra distribution. So it means power Amarendra distribution is equal to the power Rado Institute distribution with K equal to 4. Okay. So for this time, we will try to using the data on the data set 1, like in this article. Okay, like this one. In this article, the data set 1, like this one, we will try to solve the R software to the estimate the parameter. Okay, and then in this recent article, we can find the sum parameter. Okay, for the sum parameter for the data set 1, like this one. The Amarendra, this one, okay, the parameter of Amarendra, you can check here. 0.05 and 1. Okay, this is Amarendra. Amarendra, this one, sorry. ARD is Amarendra. Amarendra, what's the Amarendra? Amarendra. PAMD. PAMD, okay, AMD. PAMD, Amarendra. Okay, where is one? Okay, wait a minute. In this article, we can find the parameter of Amarendra. This one, theta, and this one for the alpha. So, we'll try to using the R software to comparison the sums power Rado Institute distribution for the special K. Okay, let's open our R. This is our R. This is X for the data set 1. This one is power Rado Institute distribution with K equal to 2. And this is the coding for the maximum likelihood of the power Rado Institute distribution. Okay. You can find in the blue one, okay, I give the blue color. This is density of the power Rado Institute distribution for K equal to 2. Whereas the parameter 1 equal to the alpha and parameter 2 equal to theta. Okay. So we use this coding program to estimate the parameter of the power Rado Institute distribution with K equal to. And then we using Optim with the initial value for the alpha 1 and then the initial value for theta 1. Okay. So after that, we must have the density function of the power Rado Institute distribution for K equal to. Okay. So what is different for this one and for this one? The different only in this one we use X. In this one we use XI. XI is mean the sequence 0 until 2 multiple maximum data with the gems 0.01. It means this one we need for the make the smooth curve. Okay, we need a lot of data for the XI. For this one, we use for the find the IC or the value of the IC or the value of the -2 log likelihood. Okay. So after that, we try to create the coding for the power Rado Institute distribution for the K equal to 3. Okay. For the blue one, okay, you can find in the blue one, okay, this is density of the power Rado Institute distribution with K equal to 3. The parameter 1, par 1 equal to alpha and parameter 2 equal to theta. And then we try to using Optim to find or the estimate the parameter of the power Rado Institute distribution which K equal to 3 by using the maximum likelihood. So, like the power Rado Institute distribution K equal to 2, we must give the XI. FPSD is mean the density function of the power Rado Institute distribution with K equal to 3. And this one, the difference from this one with this one only xi and x. We have give the reason why we will try to this one we use x and this one we use xi. So the last, we will try to find the power Rado institute distribution for k equal to 4. We try to using the coding for the estimate the parameter using the log likelihood, the maximum log likelihood. Okay, you can find here in the blue one is median density function. Okay, we give the blue color. This is for the density function of the power Rado institute distribution k equal to 4. After that, we try to use it optimum, give the initial value for the alpha 1 and the theta 1. Okay, and then we must have the density function of the power Rado institute distribution k equal to 4, and this one, of course, the same. The density function of the power Rado institute distribution for the k equal to 4, the different only this one we use xi. So this one we use the x. We have the give the result. Okay. After that, we use a density function. Density function is mean we try to give the histogram of the data, and then we try to capture the histogram by using the density function. This is for the power Rado institute distribution k equal to 2, and this one the power Rado institute distribution for k equal to 3, and this one power Rado institute distribution for the k equal to 4. After that, we can check which one is the best. The best is mean we have the smallest SIC. The best is mean we have the best density function must have the smallest IC value, and then density plot so very closely with the histogram, or with the very closely with the histogram. Okay, we run the whole program. Okay, we run the whole program, and we can check the plot of this one. Okay, you can see from this plot, the green one is the density of the power Rado institute distribution k equal to 4. The brown one is for the power Rado institute distribution k equal to 3. And the black one is power Rado institute the distribution k equal to, with the value of the IC. IC is mean the IK formation criterion. Okay, from this figure, okay, from this plot, from this density plot, we can check the smallest IC is for the power Rado institute distribution for the k equal to 4. So it means if we make the comparison with the sum power Rado institute distribution, special for the k equal to 2, k equal to 3, and k equal to 4, we can define power Rado institute distribution k equal to 4 is the best one. Okay. If you want to know the value of the parameter, you just type like for example, for the power Rado institute distribution, you just type PAD. Okay, PAD. Okay, you can find this is parameter for the alpha, and this is for the theta. Same is with the recent article that we have using for this discussion. Okay, for example, like this one, we have the one recent article with the parameter alpha 0.05 and theta 0.05 and the alpha 1 minus 0.0. This is for the Amarendra. And then the base of the R programming, we have success to prove the alpha 1.000 and then the alpha 1.00 and the theta 0.05. So it means our discussion today is a very nice discussion. We can using the R to solve the problem, especially to how to estimate the data. We try to the R programming to create the coding to estimate the parameter of the power radioisotope distribution, especially for the K equal to 3 and 4. Okay, I think this is for the next. If you want try to make the power radioisotope distribution for the K equal to 5, K equal to 6 until K equal to 10, maybe you just only change the density function only. You must use the same coding, only makes different about the density function. Okay, I have success to prove that we can solve the parameter by using the R programming. And then I hope our discussion today can help you to produce the research, and then the research can publish in the best journal. Okay, see you again. Rado Institute. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.